I wanted to go with this Matrix 1 for Powerball 2, 4, 26. This is something new, okay? Each line, and each line is a different formula, okay? And I no longer add together for this one here. I'm taking each individual line is a separate formula, and I just put the answer underneath, okay? This different formula here. Then this line is a different formula. This line is a different formula. This line is a different formula. And I notice I get down maybe 10 lines the most, and I get almost all the numbers. But I want to go over this in a little more detail than the other two. The other two are ones we've been using before. Okay, so the winning numbers are 27. I don't know when I do my crossing over here at 45 degrees, if I have a red. There's an X right here, right above this 2. It's telling me that the adjacent 0 is coming into play. I don't know. I'm still stumped as to if I have an X here. Right there is where it was. Do I include both those as being red? Maybe I should have, because the first number is 29. So the zeros here connect the 2 and a 9. And these zeros here connect this 9 with any of these numbers. So you actually have 2 29s. It's a stretch, it's a reach, but I'm still trying to understand this. The numbers are teaching me, I'm not teaching the numbers. Okay, so we have a 27. Here's our 27 right here. You have a 27 here, but this is the one that really stands out, this one here, okay? And this here is the green for 2 numbers. There's our 27, that's 1 number there. Okay, a 30 was our next number. Actually, we had a 37 there too. There's actually 3 numbers by the green 0. Okay, so look at 27, 29 here, 29 here, 30, 37, 37, 37, 58, 58, 58. These green zeros are saying there's going to be 2 numbers here. Well, there was 2 58s here. And of course, the Powerball was 15, so we actually had 2 15s. Okay, so I actually had 3 numbers. The green zero are saying 2 numbers, but there were actually 3 numbers here at these 2 zeros right here. The double play for the states that have it was a 10, 43, 49. 49 is up here, okay. 54 at the top, and also down here. 55 and 10 was our double play Powerball number right here. So I like this little matrix. They're all going to be different. I've got Saturdays done. It's not the same. You don't have as many zeros, so sometimes you have less zeros and actually better choices. But I like this little guy here. It's pretty cool. I was very happy with the results. Like I said, each line is a different formula. And as I get the results, I just put them right at the next line. So, I mean, it's amazing. It's different formula, but I still got the 59, 59. I don't understand it, but anyway, it's working. It's working. So those are the results for Powerball 2, 4, 26 with the Matrix 1. This is brand new. I have Saturday's done. The formula is done. I've got to finalize it and make it really nice like this and do the red and the green. I'm going to stick with the red and the green. This red here didn't count. Well, no, it did. There's a 10. There's a 10. So these all did count. All these were correct. I wish I would know if there was 3 numbers instead of just 2, because there was 3 here. 27, 37, 30, 58, 58, 15, 15, which should be away, and actually another 58 here, this 5 here. I don't know how to tell if there's going to be 3 numbers at a green 0. I only know it's going to be these 2 or more. I'm still learning though, guys. Stay tuned. I'm always doing something different, trying to figure out a better way to give you better results. So stick with me here, guys. It's been 30 years and this is as far as I've gotten. But you're not supposed to even get this far. Catch you guys later. Play on paper. This is for entertainment purposes only.